What's going on, guys? I got my son Cam over here. He's taking the Dyno out of his garage, so to speak. I got the 2002 Springer right here, and you guys already seen the video. We did the exhaust, the air cleaner on it. Arlen-S Big Sucker air cleaner with Vance & Hines Big Shot staggered. And we're gonna get the bike tuned over at Mike from Torque Custom Cycles in Hackensack today, because this thing is not running good, obviously, for obvious reasons. It's got a free-flowing exhaust now, it's got a bigger air cleaner, and it just needs a tune. So we're gonna go over by Torque Custom Cycles, we're gonna tune it. You guys are gonna be able to hear it running on the dyno. Just amazing, amazing bike. Go back to a couple videos ago as I show you guys what I picked up. Obviously, I go over the entire bike. But today in the video, we're gonna see how much power in stock form it lays down to the back tire, and then we're gonna see how much power it lays down to the back tire with the exhaust air cleaner and the tune. I cannot wait. Right now, Cam's actually going off to work at Bergen County Harley-Davidson. I'm gonna follow him. We'll see you guys at Torque Custom Cycles just here in a couple minutes. All right, we're over here by Mike. What's up, Mike? All right, here we go. We're gonna bring the Springer in, the 2002. Slap it up on the dyno, and we're gonna show you before power numbers, stock in its current state right now, and then we'll show you guys the after numbers. And it's just, he's got to get the tables right. So what are you gonna do, like air fuel?
Yeah, so we'll hook it up. We'll put the O2 sensors in it. We'll see what the current air fuel is.
Right.
If it's rich or lean. This is not a race bike. We're gonna put this right on that reliable 13.5 line, 13
That's
line.
right. I just want a nice bike that runs nice, that's all.
Yeah.
Nice cruiser. It's backfiring like friggin' crazy now.
So it's
Popping.
probably a little lean. We'll see that and then we'll start running it.
Right.
But we'll get it tuned up.
Awesome, man. The twin cam, baby. Mike's gonna do some base runs, see what the power's at, and then he's gonna start tuning. Just so you guys know, that's why I was getting a lot of backfire and stuff like that, but it's running extremely lean, Mike is saying. So on that graph, if it goes higher into the yellows, it's running really lean, and then underneath the green, it's running really rich. So we're almost topped out at the lean portion of the air fuel ratio. All right, guys, so how much, Mike? 66?
66.
66 horsepower, 69 foot-pounds of torque. And how much did you did say, what, 60?
I said 62.
62, okay. And I said 50 on my way here, so I'm off by 16.
I think we're going to get this into the 70s.
You think so?
Yeah, we got a little bit of issue here and a little issue here. and your max horsepower at 5,700, you were lean. So
right.
I'm gonna try to get this into 70 horsepower.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Hard 68.
Hard 68.
Hard 68.
All right. So, Mike, what are you going to do now?
So I'm gonna hook up. We're gonna change the fuel table a little bit. So
Uh-huh.
we'll do an auto tune session. See if we can get these numbers a little straighter.
Yeah.
And we'll take it from there.
Awesome. Done tuning. We're gonna do a final dyno pull to see how much power we got. Yes.
Yeah.
72.
Wow.
72.8. I rounded it up, so 73, man. Damn. That's fantastic. Almost 7 horsepower gain.
75.
Go flat out.
So the blue is the old line? No, the blue is the new.
The old one.
Oh, the blue?
Yeah.
Oh, the blue is the
66,
old, right.
69.
Oh, so I see the line is so much
Straight.
closer now. Yeah.
Yeah, our 102 sensor is not acting a little properly because it's in
Right.
the tube right now, but
Right.
let me get rid of the red line just to show you the blue now, where we are pretty damn straight.
Oh, yeah. That's sweet. Awesome, man. Good job, man. Good job. 73. Hopefully my 210-pound ass could feel that. Awesome, brother. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna ride it home and
yeah, let me know how it is.
yeah. I'm gonna ride it home now, guys, and that's all done. I'm super happy it's tuned, and I'll let you guys know when I get home. All right, guys, back from Mike over at Torque Custom Cycles. So what could I tell you guys? I didn't have my vlogging camera with my full face on, so I couldn't record the ride, but I definitely will in the future. The bike runs great. For a 22-year-old bike, he was able to get an additional 8 horsepower out of it, so it's up at around 73 horsepower. You know, that's great. Sounds great. Sounds absolutely awesome. It's really loud. It's a twin cam, really loud. These are basically Vance & Hines straight pipes. They're super loud. It was able to get 8 additional horsepower. So I'm really happy with it. Runs really good. I have some D-cell popping, but I don't really mind it. It actually sounds pretty cool, pretty good. The overall bike, you could definitely feel the 8 horsepower because it's such a light bike. It definitely runs a lot better, throttles a lot smoother. So if you guys are gonna be doing something like this to your twin cam, not even to your twin cam, even to your M8, if you guys are gonna be changing out air cleaners, putting on high flow air cleaners, full exhaust systems, cam, whatever, the best proper way is to get a custom dyno tune, just like Mike just did at Tour Custom Cycles. He puts it on the dyno, you know, make sure the air fuel ratio is as perfect as you can get it. And that's the best way. You can obviously do an auto tune, but you know, you're still limited to what the auto tune is going to do. So the best and proper way is obviously a custom dyno tune. But the bike is running great. I love it. I can't wait to bring you guys content on it. As you guys heard the bike, obviously it sounds awesome, but I can't wait to bring so much content for you guys. Me with the bike, riding with Cam. Stay tuned. Sandy's thinking about something, so we'll see what happens with him. And let me tell you now, for future projects, if you guys want to know, I'm gonna be getting a sissy bar definitely, so I could put a bag. I would love to put my rickrack luggage on there. I still have to do some research because I do not know if it's going to fit on that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the proper docking hardware and put the proper size cargo rack on it that I would need for the rickrack. So if not, we're going to put a sissy bar. We're going to put a sissy bar on it just for some shorter trips with maybe like a Saddleman bag. We're going to be getting a Saddleman seat. That is on its way. You guys seen all of the Custom Dynamics LED lighting. I will have links for you guys down below in the video description to the exhaust, to the air cleaner, to all of the Custom Dynamics lighting. I'll even have a link for you guys when the seat comes in the future. But sissy bar, what else? The mirrors, I don't know if I'm going to change right now. I'm probably going to change them, but the bars are going to be like the last thing. So this is what I plan on doing in the winter. I think we're going to cam the bike. Yeah, we're probably going to cam it. Maybe like I think it's a Fueling 573 cams, and then we're probably going to change out the bars all in one shot. You know, just leave it at Mike in the wintertime when he's a little slower and I'm really not using the bike, and this way we'll be able to bring you guys some pretty cool, maybe a series on the build, some nice bars. I'm probably gonna go with like a 12 or a 14 mini ape, maybe a set of Carlinis. I'm not sure yet. Definitely have to do some research on that. We're going to change out the grips. We're going to change all of this to like chrome and to like a steel braided line with like a clear coating over it. I don't want the black anymore. We're going to change all that out. And then just put some chrome. I don't want to, you know, somebody commented in my last video. He said, please do not like change the black calipers. I'm definitely not. I still want it kind of rugged, raw, old school. I don't want to turn the whole thing into like a chrome show bike. I'm going to be riding this thing. I'm not going to be sitting there staring at it, you know, on the showroom floor. So, but we're going to get a couple chrome things. Like I'm going to touch up, I'll bring you guys all these videos, but I want to touch up like this black paint. We're going to need to sand that down and touch that up. Then there's like nice chrome covers that cover this whole entire back axle area. What else? Nice chrome sissy bar seat. I got a thrashing bag on there for now. It's actually really good and secure. We're going to be doing some pegs, obviously. Shifter peg, front pegs, rear passenger pegs. I'm going to keep them on. What else? Some nice chrome, maybe some little chrome caps for the head bolts. Because I did ask Mike over at Torque, and he said you do not want to take them out, even if it's one at a time, because it might break that seal between the jug and the crankcase. And I definitely don't want to do that. So I'm not going to take the chance. I'm just going to get some nice, I think S&S, he said, make some nice chrome caps for those bolts that are a little bit corroded, just to tidy it up a bit. Other than that, oh, and that's the other thing. So you may say, well, why am I going to do cams? You know, I'll tell you why. Because another thing, I was just talking to Mike, these motors, well, I think I should get into this in another video. That'll be but there's an issue inside of the cam chest right there that all of these bikes, all of these motors have, which has to be resolved. So stay tuned. That's probably going to be the topic for the next video, and then I'll tell you guys, you know, why I'm doing all that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I'm loving this bike, guys. And from the previous video, when I just put it out, the video did so well. There's over 300 or 400 comments, 1,400 likes on the video, and you guys are loving the bike as well. So I'm really I'm happy about that. So you guys seem to think that I have made a right choice, and so do I. It's just an absolutely gorgeous bike, and we'll be able to put some really cool content out for you guys. See you guys later. Peace out.